Hello ladies, this is So Wink, and we have lots of viewers in our channel ask us, how you can make our gel dry. We're actually going to need a UV light to make it dry. So here's our So Wink UV light hand light. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is the box going to receive. So come along with this UV light, you're also going to receive a charger right here. And open it, you're also going to receive this user manual, the instruction. And there it is. That's the UV light. So I'm going to show you guys how to use it. Okay, here we got the UV light, or So Wink UV light. So at the bottom of this UV light, there's this is where you charge. So when you get a full battery, you can actually use this one for actually 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour. Here we got the button. So give one time press on the button. It shows this 20 seconds on this LED screen, and you're gonna long press like more than 2 seconds. It's gonna switch to this 60 seconds. Okay, 60 seconds countdown. And so how we're gonna use it? So after you do this application, you're gonna go straight to over the top over now. Okay, and you're gonna move it around a little bit to make sure you cover the whole surface so you don't miss out any corner. Okay, to get a cure. So usually for our hand light, it takes actually only 10 seconds to 20 seconds to make our gel dry, which is very fast. So what is actually making it so fast and so special? Because we actually made this 3 beads hand light. That's one of the reasons why it's so special, why it cures so fast. And by the way, this is, probably you're not gonna find anything like this one in this market. This is a really advanced technology. So that's basically how you use it, okay? To have fun, to play around with the ketchup polish. Okay, bye.